The QCC extension identifies a QuakeC source code file containing game logic programming code for the Quake game engine. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you edit, compile, or troubleshoot these Quake game scripting files. Heads up on the final step. We will reveal why investing in one exceptional QCC file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. QCC files are QuakeC source code files containing game logic programming for ID Software's Quake engine. They define player mechanics, weapon behavior, enemy AI item, effects, and game rules, using the QuakeC language, a simplified C-like language designed for Quake game modification. QuakeC QCC files use a C-like syntax with built-in game engine functions and entity system integration. They define entity think, functions, touch handlers, and game events. The language supports floats vectors, strings, and entity references as primary data types. ID Software Quake from ID Software offers a certified solution for the QCC file type. Viewing this file correctly requires specialized software that ignores the Windows association data. Windows cannot resolve script commands, so the correct interpreter is necessary. Your first step towards full access. Right-click the QCC file and select Open With. If ID Software Quake is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. If the QCC file is still refusing to open, it's expected. If the file is still refusing to open, we are focused on just 3 major problems. We'll explore every common culprit and conduct the diagnostic step for it. First, compiling QuakeC. Use FTEQCC or FRIKQCC QuakeC compilers to compile QC source files into progs, DAT bytecode. Run ftexc in the source directory to compile all QCC files. The output, progs.dat file, is placed in the game's mod directory for execution by the Quake engine. Next, editing source code. Open QCC files in any C-aware text editor for syntax highlighting. Write entity functions using QuakeC built-ins like makeVectors, spawn, and setModel. Define new weapons, enemies, and game mechanics by creating entity classes with appropriate think and touch functions. Finally, setting up mods. Create a mod directory under the Quake installation. Place the compiled progs, DAT, in the mod directory. Launch Quake with the game mod name parameter to load your custom QuakeC game logic. Test changes frequently by recompiling and restarting the game. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.